So I start by having them build a hierarchy list, a foundation, a list of all their obsessions on one side of the sheet, and then all their compulsions on the other side of the sheet. And then we rate what we call a SUDS, a subjective units of distress scale, on each of their obsessions, and what they do to alleviate it is the compulsion. Then once we get that solid foundation, because we need a solid foundation in order to move forward, we get the solid foundation of their entire list, and then we can start building the walls and the roof and all the rooms in the house. It's very similar in my line of work. I do exactly that by getting all their obsessions out on the table, and then we start working through as doing the ERP, starting with the lowest anxiety item, and then a higher one, and then a higher one. And at some point they can get to all their obsessions and not have to do their compulsions.